Welcome to our journey. Today, we're unfolding the magic of the Japanese art form, origami. Origami was first practiced in the 6th century and was originally a pastime for the aristocracy.
The term origami consists of two Japanese words, oru meaning to fold and kami meaning paper.
Origami only uses a small number of different folds, but they can be combined in a variety of ways to make intricate designs.
In traditional origami, sculptures are created using only one piece of paper without cutting, gluing, or marking the paper. The most famous origami model is the Japanese paper crane. In Japan, it is believed that if you fold 1,000 paper cranes, your wish will come true.
The Japanese New Year is celebrated with origami decorations known as katamatsu. The first written instructions for origami models appear in a 1797 Japanese book, Senbazuru Orikata.
During the Edo period, the production of paper in Japan significantly increased, and origami became popularized among the wider public.
Today, origami is incorporated into math and science curriculum in many countries to help students understand complex theories.
Origami isn't just for artists and crafters. Engineers and scientists often use the art form to solve complex problems.
The smallest origami crane was folded under a microscope using a square that was 0.1 millimeters by 0.1 millimeters.
People around the world participate in World Origami Days from October 24th to November 11th every year.
The concept of origami has been applied in space industry too. A solar panel on a space satellite unfolds using origami principles. Origami has influenced other forms of art too, such as fashion. You can see it in pleated dresses and folded purses. In Japan, children learn origami in school as it is believed to boost their focus and math skills.
Symbolically, origami butterflies are often used at Japanese weddings because they represent the bride and groom. In 1981, Akira Yoshizawa, often referred to as the Grandmaster of Origami, developed a common language for origami instructions known as the Yoshizawa Randlet system.
Origami often uses the concept of wet folding, where the paper is dampened to allow it to be curved.
The Origami USA Convention, one of the largest gatherings of origami enthusiasts, happens annually in New York.
The largest origami museum resides in Narita, Japan, which includes more than 400,000 origami pieces.
The current world record for the most origami cranes folded by a single person in a year is 684,000 cranes.
Each shape in origami has a different meaning. Crane is a symbol of long life and honor. Frog represents the return of favors and happiness. Lilies bobbing represent purity and innocence.
Robert Lang, a physicist turned origami artist, has used origami principles in medical devices and car airbags.
Origami was also used in dynamic architecture, like the Mura fold used in creating maps.
A form of therapy, origami helps in developing hand-eye coordination, patience, precision, and attention to detail.
Origami has even benefited animal conservation efforts. Researchers built origami-inspired traps to gently catch deep-sea creatures without harming them.
The art of origami helps in teaching geometry, understanding fractions, problem-solving, and spatial thinking. The largest origami crane had a wingspan of 81.94 meters, created by the Peace Project in Hiroshima, Japan.
Our journey ends here, but remember, the world of origami is endless. It's not just folding paper, it's transforming a simple sheet into a masterpiece, carrying cultural significance and unfolding creativity.